Brussels sprout salad with apple cider vinaigrette, a crispy, tangy delight for every table. What if the secret to falling in love with Brussels sprouts wasn't cooking them at all? Picture this: a refreshing crunch, a sweet tang, and a burst of autumn flavor in every bite. That's the magic of this Brussels sprout salad with apple cider vinaigrette, a vibrant twist that might just become your new favorite side dish. Raw Brussels sprouts? Yes, and they shine. When thinly sliced, these little green gems take on a tender yet crisp texture, almost like cabbage but fresher, greener, and packed with nutrition. Paired with sweet apples, nutty almonds, and a bright vinaigrette, this dish hits all the right notes: crunchy, sweet, savory, and tangy. Serves 4 people. Ingredients. For the salad: 400 grams, about 14 ounces, Brussels sprouts, trimmed and finely shredded. 1 crisp red apple, like Fuji or Honeycrisp, thinly sliced. ½ cup slivered almonds, lightly toasted. 1/4 cup shaved Parmesan cheese. Optional, 1/4 cup dried cranberries for a touch of sweetness. For the vinaigrette: 3 tablespoons apple cider vinegar. 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon honey. 1/4 teaspoon salt. Freshly ground black pepper to taste. 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. In a small bowl or jar, whisk together the vinegar, mustard, honey, salt, and pepper. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil while whisking to emulsify. Set aside. In a large mixing bowl, combine the shredded Brussels sprouts, apple slices, almonds, Parmesan, and cranberries, if using. Pour the vinaigrette over the salad and toss until evenly coated. Let it sit for 10 minutes before serving to let the flavors meld. This salad is just as good cold as it is at room temperature and holds up beautifully for packed lunches or potlucks. Want a little extra protein? Add grilled chicken or chickpeas. Looking for a holiday twist? Sprinkle with pomegranate seeds or chopped pecans. This salad isn't just a side, it's a showstopper. Simple, seasonal, and bursting with flavor, it brings together wholesome ingredients in the most delightful way. How do you like to transform Brussels sprouts, roasted, shredded, or raw and radiant like this?